Which form of altered consciousness involves people becoming highly suggestible to changes in behavior and thought? A. Hypnosis. B. Biofeedback. C. Meditation. True or false? When using hypnosis, it should be used with cooperation, not domination. True, false. Fill in the blank with the word using the word boxes below. When a hypnotist makes suggestions to a person that impacts their behavior or actions afterwards, this is called blank. Polysynaptic suggestion, behavior analysis, hypnotic state, meditation. Biofeedback is when A person learns how to control their thoughts to impact their body. B, a person analyzes their dreams to understand their emotions. C, a person uses deep breathing techniques to understand their behaviors. The focusing of attention to clear one's mind and produce relaxation is called A, hypnosis. B, biofeedback. C, meditation. And the last one here, how can these methods help with behaviors? You may use the audio option to record your answer.